What's going on, credit card? Credit card and the Razorback? Man, I was getting ready to let everything cool down, but I heard you bumping it down, so I got to key it one more time. Hey, credit card, hope all is well, my friend. 2-7 with the wave.
Credit card, the Razorback.
Well, 2-7, 445, waving.
All right, credit card, enjoy your day, my friend. Hey, credit card, I'm going to get on out of here. I got to get back to the salt mine, but enjoy your day. Good day, bumping it down. Thanks for swinging by my way. Credit card, 27 of the boys, man. I got to do a hit and run. I'll see you.
Hey, 27 before you hit and run, 445, Mississippi, waving. Hey, 27 Ratchet, 445, Mississippi, we trying.
Credit card, I'll see you. Bye.
Hey, 27 Ratchet, 445, Mississippi, before you go, I want to wave at you.
What's going on, Radio Man? Hey, Radio Man, I'm trying to get out of here, but man, I can't leave my friend hanging. Radio Man 445, hope you're enjoying your week, my friend. 2-7 with the wave.
Alright there, 2-7, I appreciate the wave out there. You sounded real good. I was in the Mobile, I heard you. I said, I hope I hurry up and get home, take down the base. Hey, 27, you sounded good on this base station. Hello?
Way to go, Radio Man. Man, it got rough. Hey, Radio Man 445, where you go, man? It got real rough out here on the west side. 27, trying to get back.
That's how it goes, 27. Well, 1 minute you're the hero, 1 minute you're the zero. Hey, 27 with the 445 with these small watts, so I'm trying to get back.
Hey, credit card, tell my friend Kid Dynamite, man, we missed him at the last picnic. Hey, credit card, do me a favor and tell Kid Dynamite that we missed him at the last picnic. 27 with the wave.